Welcome to our channel OF1 Coding Club, and today we'll be solving a question from February lunchtime, and the name of the question is the initial problems. So first let us see what the question says. Danish, as always, is busy creating and solving his favorite and interesting graph problems. Chef assigns each problem a difficulty, an integer between 1 and 10. For each valid I, there are AI problems with difficulty I. The participant hacked Danish's account and got access to the problem proposal document. He can delete up to K problems from the document in order to reduce the difficulty of the contest for himself and his friends. Find the smallest possible value of the difficulty of the most difficult problem which remains after removing K problems. So now let us see the input. The first line of input contains single integer t denoting the number of test cases. For each test case, there are 10 spaced separated integers, and the second line of each test case is a single integer k. So first, in order to make the difficulty of the contest less, we need to start deleting the problems from the highest difficulty level, that is 10. So we'll be deleting from the highest difficulty, and then we'll be moving down to the difficulty level where and when we have deleted more than k problems, we will be printing out the next difficulty level lower to it, and in this way we can achieve the condition that is given in the problem, that is the smallest possible value of difficulty of the most difficult problem. So now I'll show you the C++ implementation for this question. So first I have taken an integer t, that is number of test cases, and for each test case we are creating an array of 10 numbers which are the 10 difficulties level, and then we'll be taking an input from the user, and then we'll be beginning from the highest difficulty level, which is 9 here because we are using 0th bit indexing, and then we'll be subtracting the number of questions from the value of k. So after subtracting from a particular difficulty level, if k is less than 0, then we'll be printing I plus 1. So why plus 1? Because in the question we have been given indexing from 1, and here we are coding with the indexing 0, so the plus 1 is necessary. So now we'll also need an extra condition that if the value of k is 0 and the next difficulty level does not contain any problems, so we need to move ahead and we need to find a difficulty level where there are some problems. So essentially this while loop does that thing, and when we reach a difficulty level where there are some problems, we'll print I plus 1, and that will be all for the question. So now we'll submit this code. So now let us see if this gives us a right answer or wrong answer. So as you can see, our solution is accepted. So that was all for today.